Hello everyone. The former Inkatha Freedom Party IFP founder and President Emeritus Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi has passed away at the age of 95. Buthelezi's death was confirmed in a statement released by his family, and it said, "It is with utter grief that we, the family of Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, Member of Parliament, announce the passing of South Africa's truest champion and greatest servant, our father Mtwana kaphinda ngene. In this devastating moment, we thank God Almighty for His faithfulness and grace, knowing with certainty that Mtwana has been embraced by his Lord. He quietly and painlessly stepped into eternity in the early hours of this morning. We realize that this loss will be deeply felt by many, and many will wish to express their condolences and pay their respects in the days ahead. The family will engage His Majesty the King and the royal family, His Excellency President, the Buthelezi clan, and the leadership of the Inkatha Freedom Party as the necessary funeral arrangements are made. Further details in this regard will be announced in due course." Mangosuthu Buthelezi was hospitalized in Durban's St. Augustine's Hospital in July, despite reports at the time that he was battling a terminal illness. His spokesperson Liesl van der Merwe poured cold water on these claims. At the time, she confirmed his hospitalization for the routine treatment of a back problem. Buthelezi was subsequently moved to the intensive care unit, where he spent a few weeks before being discharged into the care of his family. Mtwana kaphinda ngene was born on 27 August 1928 into the Zulu royal family in Mahlabathini district of KwaZulu-Natal, and is the son of Princess Magogo Zulu, sister of King Solomon and Inkosi Mathole Buthelezi, the king's prime minister. His royal bonds earned him the title of prince and served the Zulu monarch and nation as a traditional prime minister. My deepest condolences to the family and his friends. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.